Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about how to sort the data. Sorting means sorting a data in ascending or descending. So let us suppose that in region ID we have four different values. We wanted to see all values for first region ID, then second region ID, then third, then fourth. So to sort that data in that particular order, we need to write order by. Then we need to give the column name that we wanted to sort. Then if it is an ascending order, then we will not provide any value. If we wanted to descending order, then we can mention DESC and run this part. Now we see all four values come at one place, then 3, then 2, then 1. In the same way, we can put it instead of region ID, we will put country name, and instead of descending, we will use ascending. Now what we see that country ID, all country name has been sorted by alphabet. First A, then B, then C, then D. Now let us suppose that we wanted to sort two different columns. So first is the country name, second is the country ID. For doing this, we will segregate the column names by comma. Now here we see first is the Argentina, then Australia, and it the second column region ID has been sorted by 2 and 3, and thus here Argentina and Australia first, then this one. If we wanted to descending it, the first column should be ascending, the second column should be descending. Now see how if the value has been changed or not. No, not here. Here it seems to be value has been changed. 3 4 first it has been ascending, then it puts some value here. Yes, here it is the descending. In the M column we can see Malaysia, then Mexico, that is an ascending order. MA first, then ME, and here the value has been descending. 3 comes first, then 2. And that is how order by syntax works here in SQL. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet it again in the next video.